Umakadebona weANC nowayengungqongqoshe wezinkampani ezingamabhizinisi ombuso uBarbara Hogan uthi uyazisola ngokubhala uhlu losombusazwe ayexhumene nabo ngeminyaka ye-1970. Loluhlu lwalunegama lika Dokotela uNeil Aggett nolwaphelela ezandleni ezingafanele. uHogan ubethula ubufakazi esicawini sophenyo ngokushona ka-Aggett.
Ethula ubufakazi uHogan uthe waqala ukwazi uNeil Aggett ngoGavin Anderson. Waya esitokisini yomvakashela kodwa wayengazi ukuthi yena usebenzela iANC.
I was delegated by Gavin to go and sort the matter out with Jeanette and Marius. He did not know that I was working for the ANC. And I thought if ever it came back that it was me that organised that meeting, I was a member of the ANC and I would jeopardise Neil. So I then conveyed it via Gavin.
Uthi babezama ukwakha umbutho wezisebenzi wabantu abamnyama ozokwazi ukubalwela. Uthi watshela ukuthi akaphume aphele kulelizwe.
The person who had collected my report, my last report, which I put into the dead letter box, that person reported that when he picked up, the top of the envelope was slit open like that. And that the ANC was of the view that my dead letter box had been intercepted and that I should leave the country as soon as possible.
Uthi ngesikhathi ehamba emzini kaJeanette eNorwood wabona ukuthi kukhona izimoto ezisithupha ezimlandelayo. Uthi kwamphoqa ukuthi aphume ngokusheshsha kulelizwe. Qhube wathi babelandela wonke umuntu owazi uRob Adam njengoba wayesemkhankasweni wokuzama ukuqhumisa umbhoshongo weSABC. Isicwawu siyaqhubeka.